All right. I'll be honest, I looked at 25 minutes and I thought, oh, I can give it another 5 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes since I put it in the oven, but look at that. It's time to get them out. Oh my goodness. Oh, maybe even another 5 minutes. I don't know. What do you think? They're lovely and golden brown. All right, we let these cool for about 5 minutes before we try and get them out of those loaf pans. Okay, 5 minutes has passed since we set them on the rack to cool, so now it's time to try and get them out of the pans. That's very soft. Also very soft. These might benefit from going back in for another 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to go ahead and take them back out and see where we are now. All right, let's see if we can pop these out again. I think they'll be fine. Whatever color they are, we'll just leave them be. Tiniest bit more golden. I'll take that. Still looks delicious, so. Well, I got about 195. So by temperature, they should be fine. Just that outside color is a little paler than I would like. All right, I'll be honest, I didn't really like the way that looked. I thought it was just a little too pale, so what I did was I stuck it back in the loaf pans and put the loaf pans in the oven while the oven cooled. Now, let's take them out. It's still warm. And have another look at them, and this is as much as I'm going to doctor it. It's either done or it's not. And here we go. And it's been in that cooling oven for maybe 20 minutes. So, goldened up a little. It's still very soft. I'm going to go ahead and cut one now. I know you're supposed to wait 30 minutes, but I'm still going to do it. Okay, well, I've cut it, and it looks... Well, it looks fine, actually. It looks delicious. So I'm going to put some butter on it, and I'm going to taste it, and I'm going to leave you right there. Enjoy your bread.